Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make very easy weight loss drink and it is also very easy to make. So I will make a cumin honey drink. If you use this drink for a month, you will definitely see the change. So cumin is so much healthy. So if you want, please make this drink and use this. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So for making this, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of cumin. It is very healthy, so use cumin for making this drink. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey is very helpful, so use honey. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of honey and we want 1.5 glass of water. So now we will go into next process. So firstly we will boil the water. So take a pan and add 1.5 glass of water. So here it is done. Now place it on the gas. So here it is done. Now I will add cumin. So add 1 tablespoon of cumin here and wait to boil. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it is boiling, you can see, and when it boil, then reduce the flame and in low flame boil it for 10 minutes. So leave it for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes you can see the change. It has changed some color and water is also reduced, you can see. Now switch off the gas and transfer it into a glass. When it will be lukewarm, then sieve it. So now I will add lemon juice and honey and mix it nicely. So here it is done, you can see it is done. So now I will tell you when and how to take this drink. So you have to drink this in the morning. So firstly take this lukewarm drink, and after taking this drink please don't eat anything for an hour. So use this for a month and you will see the change definitely. So please make this easy and very healthy drink and use this for a month, and if you see the change please comment me, and if you like today's video please like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you.